I want to buy a 3D painting for my daughter to show my apology.
Hi, I saw your order. Please don't forget to send me a clear picture of your pet.
Oh, okay. My daughter is so sad now for the loss of our dog Kiki and for how I cheated on her.
You lied to her?
Yes, Kiki died when my daughter was at school and we didn't want to upset her, so we kept the secret until she found out this summer vacation.
Oh, it must be hard for her.
Yes, I said sorry to her for not letting her know the reality, and she said she knows that we are doing this for her. But Kiki was her best friend since we had this dog when she was a little girl.
Oh, sorry for your loss, and your daughter needs time to suffer from the pain. Hope my 3D painting can cure her to some extent.